It's Jewl with the Daily Drop Society. If you're ready to take your skincare routine to the next level, this recipe is going to be for you. Now I call this recipe the skin glow up recipe because that's exactly what it does. It gives your skin this beautiful glowing look to it after you've started using this consistently. In this recipe, you're gonna have Yarrow palm essential oil, Copabia, and Frankincense. Now these essential oils are known to be rejuvenating to the skin. They help even out the skin tone, they help with breakouts. All around, they just make your skin look beautiful. And this is mixing them all together in a pre-diluted carrier, so it's ready to go every single morning without having to mix it up yourself. Now for this recipe, you are going to need an empty 15 milliliter bottle, which has a squeeze top. And of course, down in our members area, you can find the fantastic printable that matches all the other printables for all of our other DIY projects that you see on this channel. All you have to do is click down below, the link in the description, and you can sign up for free. By purchasing all these items once, you can make this recipe again and again and again. Because I've seen versions of this that sell for a lot of money, but this way you save a lot, you can refill it at any time, and it's so easy. Let's jump right into how you make this DIY recipe and exactly how much of everything you're gonna need. So for this recipe, take your empty 15 milliliter bottle. Now you can just use an essential oil bottle that's now empty as long as it's cleaned out. And you can order these little squeeze tops for 25 cents each if you go into any of the Aroma Tools or Oil Life stores. But I chose to buy these together because I thought they looked pretty. So you're gonna start with your empty bottle and I want you to add 15 drops of Copabia essential oil. Next, you're going to add 15 drops of frankincense. Last, you're going to add 15 drops of the Yarrow palm. Something cool about this Yarrow palm oil, check out that bright blue color. Lastly, you're gonna top the whole thing off with rose hip oil. Now this oil is really great for your skin. It's less likely to clog pores, it's rejuvenating, and it's a fantastic carrier oil for this. Okay, when you're done with it, it's gonna look a little bit like this. You can see that the Yarrow palm is a little bit heavier and it's settled to the bottom of your 15 milliliter. So go ahead and put the top back on and give that a good shake. And there it is, your own glowing skin serum. Now, last but not least, let's get the label on it. Wipe off any excess oil you may have accidentally dropped on it. And if you dropped a lot, you may need to wash it with soap and water just to make sure that the adhesive can stick well. And we're going to add on to it this awesome roller bottle label. These roller bottle labels can be found in our membership area, so you can make your own to go on all of your creations. And there you have it, your own skin glow up recipe. Does that not look beautiful? I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I've had so many people in our group tell me that this works wonders for their face, and I hope it can do the same thing for you. Thanks for watching.